shell to take from there and make the driveway. All right guys, I haven't made a video in a little while, but I'm getting ready to start this other house, and right now I'm carrying up a piece of culvert because we got to get the driveway punched in, got to get the foundation dug out. The dozer guy's coming here soon, so I'll give you a little view of what I got going on, and let's get this house started, man. Let's make some money. Now girls, that's why I gotta be careful running around tall grass. Got my building permit ready to go. The guys are probably gonna come down tomorrow to get the crawlspace dug out, and the backhoe probably won't come till the following day. So I will show you the layout of what I'm going to be building, so that way while the project's going on you got an idea of what we're doing here. So let me pull up the layout and show you what I'm going to build. So if you've been following me on this channel, the last house I was building was like this, the same layout and everything. I already got that house sold, so that's why I'm starting this other one. But I'm going to build it exactly like this, other than the only change I'm going to make in the house plans, it shows the closet here, then it's actually over here. I changed it in the last house, but I just haven't updated this floor plan. And the island, it's going to go this way instead of that way. But other than that, the rest of this side of the house is what you see here is what I'm building. And the only change I made is what I'm going to be doing to this house is this wall is 69 feet long. I'm actually going to extend it to 73 feet, so make it a little longer, so that way I can make this garage, instead of only being 20 foot wide, we're going to make it 24 foot wide across here. So, and as far as depth goes, this was only 20 foot. This says 19, but it was actually like 19 and a half foot. But I'm going to make it 21 foot deep. And I don't want to go too deep because I don't want this being a long, skinny room. So I figured just make it 21 foot, makes it a little deeper, but yet this room won't be so skinny. So just wanted to show you what we are going to be building, and make sure you follow along and subscribe if you're interested in building your own house and saving a ton of money. So I got a 30-foot piece of culvert in here. I got it in 10-foot sections, that way I could hold on the back of my 6-foot bed truck. But I got the driveway staked out. That stake's here, so if we walk up here, we're going to be punching this road out. Little driveway anyways. And then here's the house staked out right here. Here's the corner garage opening. Come over here, we're going to have a bump out right here. This is the brush we had to get cut down because the corner of the house is going to be right where that stump is. So we're going to mark these lines, get the bulldozer in here and backhoe and start digging. Alright, so the first thing he's going to do is scratch this topsoil off and start digging out for the foundation. But first he's going to scrape all this brush into a pile back here and load it up. So he's going to get that done first, and we'll start digging a big hole. Alright, we're stripping this topsoil off and we're putting it all over here in a pile, so that way after we're done grading, after the foundation's in, we'll have good growing dirt for growing grass. So we keep digging, and we're looking for some shale to take from there and make the driveway. It's getting pretty deep, and so far it's looks like it's all topsoil. Probably another couple feet more is how deep it has to be. So it may or may not have any in there. If not, I'll have to go get some shale from somewhere to make a good driveway. But we'll have to check grade here soon because we're getting kind of deep. We're going to be 16 inches deep on this corner, so got a little ways to go yet. But just wanted to show you what's going on here and check in with you in a minute. Alright, you can probably hear the guy with the dump truck in the background. He's over at my other lot I got on the other side of the subdivision dumping it. It needs leveled out, but he got this dug out yesterday evening, and it's about grade right here. It needs shaved off back there, and obviously this all needs dug out, but we're getting these tops hauled out first thing. It might rain, so it might rain on our parade today. We got the road punched in, well, driveway, not really a road, and a little high here. Probably end up shaving that down so it's a nice even, more of an even slope coming up. And then back here is going to be the garage, and it needs shaved down right here too, and obviously this all needs dug out yet. So we got a ton of topsoil. Most of this dirt that came out was pretty good dirt. We finally hit some rock here like I was telling you about that we needed for this driveway coming in. So if you look here, we're going to get the rest of this hauled out first thing like I said, and then finish this up, and that should be it for the day if we don't get rained out. Scoop it up, then we load it up, haul it away. So here's where we hauled all that brush, is down here in the corner of this lot. This is my dad's lot, this is a lot I own, but we're just going to push that down there and fill it full of dirt in the back to level this lot out more. So in case you're wondering, that is what we did with all those tops that were on my lot. So this is going to be a nice walkout basement type lot. Same with this lot over here. So these are just half acre, plenty to put a 2,000 square foot house or so on it, ranch style. What we're doing here is pulling a diagonal measurement, and just pulling from this end for our length is 34, and our diagonal is 80 foot 6.5 inch. And I just use a calculator online to get my diagonal measurement. You just plug in the length and the width, and it gives you the diagonal. Do that so that way you're not having to pull a bunch of times and trying to square it up. It's way simpler. Those are my girls, and that's my dad. We call him Gerald. Erlen, good work. All right, so what we went ahead and done is got corner pegs set, and so our corners are ready to go. We're not going to put all the pier holes and all that staked out yet, but we got a little offset to do. That's all we're going to get done today, so we'll have to finish this up another day. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll have to do that on my next day off. And so as you can see here, we got a nice crawl space dug out. We're actually going to go 6 courses high. It's probably going to take us to about right here. And after we get the house framed up, we'll have to cut out that bank you see there, and then level it off around here. So we got a good base started, and that's all we got done now. So next step, like I said, is the layout for the footers. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. And thanks for watching. And like I said before, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to build your own house. Peace.